90% of seniors have a misconception about the tingling feet after 60. This condition can progress into nerve pain in feet seniors, weakening the motor nerves and severely affecting your ability to walk. In today's video, I will help you uncover the little-known truths behind the causes of tingling feet after 60, and most importantly, share easy-to-implement natural solutions at home to protect your feet and maintain long-lasting flexibility. And don't miss the end of the video, where I'll reveal a mistake that many people are unknowingly making, causing their feet to weaken quickly without realizing it. If you truly care about your foot health after 60, leave a number 1 in the comments below. I'll create more helpful videos specifically for you. Cause 1. Peripheral neuropathy feet. One of the most common causes of tingling feet after 60 is peripheral neuropathy feet. This condition occurs when the nerves in your feet are damaged, disrupting or distorting signals sent from your feet to your brain. When the peripheral nervous system is compromised, you may experience symptoms like numbness, tingling, burning, or even loss of sensation in your feet. Many seniors report that this sensation is especially noticeable at night, resembling feet tingling at night elderly, which can make it hard to sleep or cause discomfort that wakes them up. Some describe it as pins and needles or a buzzing feeling. According to the Mayo Clinic, about 60% to 70% of seniors with type 2 diabetes develop peripheral neuropathy feet after age 60. This is why nerve pain in feet seniors is becoming increasingly common, and if left unaddressed, it can lead to foot ulcers, infections, or even loss of mobility. Untreated neuropathy can also increase fall risks due to reduced sensation. The good news? There are plenty of natural ways to support recovery and ease symptoms. Daily gentle movement like slow walking, simple nerve stretching exercises like toe spreads, and natural remedies for tingling, such as massaging your feet with peppermint oil or taking B vitamins, can improve circulation and aid nerve repair. A 10-minute foot massage can stimulate blood flow significantly. Additionally, managing blood sugar levels if you have diabetes is a critical step to prevent further nerve damage. A diet with low glycemic foods like leafy greens helps stabilize blood sugar. But peripheral neuropathy feet is only part of the picture. Another surprisingly common cause that severely impacts your nerves will be revealed in just a moment. Have you ever experienced this? Share your story in the comments below this video. I'd love to hear from you. Cause 2. Foot nerve compression. Another cause of tingling feet after 60 that often goes unnoticed is foot nerve compression. Have you ever felt like your feet are trapped or stiff after standing for too long or wearing tight shoes? This compression can trigger sudden tingling or pain, reducing flexibility and mobility in your feet. When your feet endure constant pressure from ill-fitting shoes or poor posture, the nerves in your feet can become compressed, leading to nerve pain in feet seniors. Over time, this can worsen, making it harder to move comfortably and affecting your quality of life. For example, tight shoes can pinch the peroneal nerve, causing numbness in the toes. What's critical is that foot nerve compression can develop silently over years without you realizing. When nerves are compressed for too long, it can cause persistent aching pain, making it uncomfortable to stand for long or walk without discomfort. The simplest solution? Change your movement habits and footwear. Choose comfortable, supportive shoes with arch support and avoid sitting or standing in one position for too long. Additionally, foot stretching exercises like ankle rotations and gentle massage can relieve pressure on the nerves. A 5-minute stretch routine daily can help. If not addressed, this condition can increase the likelihood of feet tingling at night elderly, disrupting your sleep and preventing your body from recovering properly. Don't hesitate to leave your questions or experiences in the comments. I'll answer all your questions to help you improve this condition starting today. Cause 3. Poor blood flow to feet. Another common cause of tingling feet after 60 is poor blood flow to feet. When circulation isn't strong enough to deliver oxygen and nutrients to your extremities, especially your feet, you may feel cold, numb, or tingling sensations. This is common in conditions like peripheral artery disease. A common mistake many people make is thinking that sitting or standing for long periods is harmless and doesn't affect blood flow. However, staying in one position for too long can impair circulation, contributing to feet tingling at night elderly. Crossing legs can also compress blood vessels. Wearing tight shoes or belts can also compress blood vessels, reducing circulation. Nerve pain in feet seniors often results from poor blood flow, as nerves in the feet become starved of nutrients and oxygen, impairing their function. To address this, regular exercise is key to boosting circulation, especially gentle activities like walking, leg stretches, or yoga. A diet rich in circulation-boosting foods like ginger, garlic, and omega-3 rich foods supports vascular health. Drinking adequate water daily aids blood flow. Another mistake is overlooking posture when sitting or standing, which can block blood vessels, worsen circulation, and aggravate tingling. Elevating feet for 10 minutes daily can reduce swelling. Small changes like these can protect your feet, reduce tingling, and maintain long-term mobility. Next, we'll explore another cause that makes tingling worse. Don't miss it! Cause 4. Vitamin B12 deficiency legs. A critical yet often overlooked cause of tingling feet after 60 is vitamin B12 deficiency legs. Vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining a healthy nervous system, particularly for keeping the nerves in your feet functioning properly. When your body lacks B12, nerves can become damaged, causing tingling, numbness, and leg weakness. A 72-year-old man from Florida shared that he frequently experienced feet tingling at night elderly and assumed it was just aging. But after visiting his doctor and getting a blood test, he discovered a severe B12 deficiency. After adding B12 through diet and supplements, he noticed a significant improvement, less tingling and easier walking without discomfort. A diet rich in B12, including salmon, eggs, dairy, and beef, can help ensure you're getting enough. For vegetarians, fortified cereals or nutritional yeast are good sources. If you're experiencing feet tingling at night elderly, consider B12 supplementation, as this deficiency could be causing your loss of sensation. Consult a doctor for proper dosage. Want to learn more about foot issues and improving circulation after 60? Don't miss our playlist Foot Problems and AMP, Circulation After 60. After this video, it'll guide you to keep your feet healthy, improve blood flow, and maintain flexibility and vitality. If you've made it this far, don't look away. I'm about to reveal a common mistake millions are making that's causing their feet to lose sensation faster without them knowing. Stay tuned for the final cause. It might be something you've never considered, but is critical for keeping your feet healthy. Cause 5. Diabetic foot symptoms. One of the most significant, yet often overlooked causes is diabetic foot symptoms. If you have diabetes, you may experience foot issues that aren't immediately obvious. Diabetes directly affects circulation and nerves, leading to feet tingling at night elderly and nerve pain in feet seniors. When blood sugar isn't well controlled, blood vessels and nerves in the feet can sustain serious damage. This reduces sensation in the feet and can lead to complications like ulcers, infections, or, in severe cases, amputation. High blood sugar also causes inflammation, worsening nerve damage. The mistake many make is ignoring early signs, like tingling feet after 60, assuming they're normal aging symptoms. But if you have diabetes and don't regularly manage blood sugar, these symptoms can worsen, significantly impacting your quality of life and overall health. You might notice numbness, loss of sensation, or burning pain. These can make walking difficult and increase the risk of infections or ulcers. If not addressed, they can lead to more dangerous complications. To reduce and prevent these complications, controlling blood sugar and daily foot care are essential. Regularly check your blood sugar, avoid tight or ill-fitting shoes, and keep your feet clean to prevent scratches or infections. Moisturize to avoid cracked skin and inspect feet daily for cuts. If you're experiencing these symptoms, don't wait. See a doctor today and share your experiences in the comments to help others. Tingling feet after 60 isn't normal. Understanding the causes and taking steps to improve circulation, like adjusting your diet, exercising, and caring for your feet, is the first step to protecting your foot health. Acting early helps maintain mobility and reduces the risk of more serious issues later. If you've experienced tingling or have trouble walking, don't hesitate to share your story in the comments below. What methods have you tried to ease this condition? Let me know. Your experience could help others. After watching this, I highly recommend checking out our playlist Foot Problems and AMP, Circulation After 60. It's packed with exercises and tips to improve circulation, keep your feet healthy, and maintain flexibility well into your later years. Watch it now to care for your feet better every day.